Okay, so today we are going to, last week we touched on this. Today I'm gonna talk about another pen, and it is the Parker pen that I bought in popular stores in Singapore, the bookshop Popular. So this one is blue. I had purchased this as a reward for myself last year as well. So it's also about a year old. As you can see, it comes off easily as well, and then this part it can allows you to cap, and so it's easier to grip. Yeah. So a little bit about the nib. So I think last week that nib was actually a fine nib, because when I write with this pen, I hope you can see the letter F there. Is it focus enough? Okay, there's actually a letter F there that says that's a fine nib. So the previous week, that was also a fine nib as well. So I guess I'm more comfortable with ultra fine. Anyway, let's start. Alright, so if you can hear, oh, something I forgot to mention, the scratching sound. I saw some YouTubers, they don't really like the scratching sound, but for me I find it quite therapeutic. Like when I write, I can hear the scratching sound, but I think the scratching sound is no good, means that it's the you're actually spoiling your nib. Some videos say that. So that was the override. Let's see what happens when I write at the side. Okay, so I hold on the side and I'll write. This pen is about $28. So you can see when I write at the side, when I hold it like that, it's different from the pen last week. The amount of ink flow out from the, either if you hold it like this override or at the side, it actually comes up the same. So this is what I like about this pen. There's consistency in the ink flow. Okay, let's try on the side. Now you can see, right? So pardon the handwriting. So you can see that all three actually has the same amount of thickness, no matter how you hold the pen. So I would say this is a great investment. This one costs about $28, and the ink, let me see if I have the ink somewhere. Okay, here you go. So these are the ink refill. Of course you can get the piston pump, I think that's what it calls. It's a lot cheaper. You just buy the bottle of ink, then you just pump up the liquid. But me, being lazy, I just buy all this from the Popular bookstore. As you can see, it's about $6.50, and it's actually it contains quite a lot of ink. Some ink cartridges I saw, they are actually very small. They are like this, half of the size, and this one is actually quite a lot. So I can write a lot of pages with this, and it's very easy to put it in. So the same thing. Okay, as you can see here, unlike the previous pen, this one, the ink doesn't come out as much, this part, right? I guess that's the difference between the prices, right? And I really like this, and also because I like black ink, and it allows me to move, and I can see the consistency of the thickness of ink throughout the paper. Because sometimes when I write with my pen, which is the blue one, when I write with this one, sometimes if I get tired doing the override, I might just rest for a while and write sideways, and then I can see that there's an inconsistency. Alright, and this one, the scratching sound seems to be louder, but I'll just write again and then we can hear it. Yeah, so one thing about this is unlike this pen, right, this one has a rubber grip, which really is helpful for me because I write a lot, and sometimes after a while my fingers will start sliding down the pen. And whereas for this one, you know, it doesn't have, and it's very smooth, so some people may like it, but for me, it's after a while I get tired, I'll change back to this one for a while. Or what I did is I actually cut off one of my gel pens rubber, and I just put it here so I can hold it as I write. This is a great buy. This is a great buy for anyone who is starting with fountain pen. I mean, if you want to start off with a very sleek one, with a very nice one, you don't have to go for this very practical, very good pen, which is 12 plus. You can go for this one, which you can get from any popular bookstore, and they cost about $30, less than 30. It comes with that ink pistol, I don't know what is that thing called, that ink thing, and you can buy this separately. It's $6.50 each. So usually what I do is I just get 2 boxes, and I'll just keep one spare in my pencil case. So yep, there you go, another review of the fountain pen for Lefty. This definitely works very well, very well for left-handers. As you can see, no matter if you do over, side or under writing, it actually works very well. So see you next time.